It's Trigger Swagger, and today I bought a slime. It's a slime pack. It's too good. I think it's a big giant one. Yeah, another picture. Yeah, and now we have to do the thing we have been waiting for, and I want this video to go and hit 10 subscribers, guys. 10, at least give me 10. Now I'll make a special video and buy 100 of these and put it in one tub or a swimming pool, and that would be epic. And for that you have to give me till 100 hit. But yeah, hit till 100. Okay, so now we're gonna start making this. Well, just let me show you what's inside. Yep. Yep. 1 minute. What's not there? Just leave it. It's a paper. So guys, you only need this. So this. So let's get started. So this is the paper. So this is the paper. Yeah. Okay. So this is the instructions. This one is written in Arabic. Let's read the English instruction. Please read carefully before use. No harmful chemicals kind on skin, made in the UK, environmentally safe. Okay, so then now we have to do the steps, so let's get started. Second time I'm saying that. Hey guys, it's ready. The slime is ready. So let me show you. It's epic, guys. I don't know about that. You only put it a little bit so we could try. Next time I buy it and fill it in a soup. It would be awesome. Time to play. I'm making a dish, guys. Okay, man. Hope you guys subscribe. Hope you guys like. Thank you for watching Trigger Swagger. Can you close the video?